I'm a tuna fish salad master maker. Yeah. Every Sunday night, clean out the fridge, gonna make a batch of tuna fish.
All right, sandwich fans. That's what I like about these viral sandwich trends, man. I get older, but I don't stay the same weight. I was tagged in this one a lot. CIBs did it, Liam did it, and now I'm gonna try it. What do we start with, Matt?
Starts with the base. You get your good tuna.
How about no-name tuna? Will that do?
You gotta watch how much lemon and vinegar you add.
Watching lemon, watching vinegar.
Add the mayo mixed with wasabi.
I'm gonna save a step and use this wasabi-oli. What color is it?
A little light green.
It sure is. Look at that.
Chopped red onions or the dill pickle gherkin. I'll finally slice the dill pickle gherkin.
How about okayly diced? There's our pickles and our onions.
Oh, with some apple for some sweetness, a touch of agave.
Good thing I had that apple ready to go and I paid $8 for agave.
I always have corn in there. Always got corn.
Really?
Oh, yeah. And
I do not always have corn in there. But I do this time.
crispy jalapeno chips.
Now we're talking my language. Gonna crush some up, but I'm also gonna put some on at the end.
Some frozen green peas.
Bit of a curveball in there, but hey, let's give peas a chance. Mix, mix, stir, stir. Bit of a loose salad. I'm going to use some whole wheat bread, toasted lightly because that's what I've got. And then we'll start spooning our mixture on. One thing I'll say is it certainly is very colorful. Here's those extra chips I promised. And what else is left to do but to put it all together, spin it around, cut diagonally, and reveal. Okay, all good, and yes. The McConaughey Master Tuna Fish Salad Sandwich. Taste test. You get the wasabi right away. First thing that hits you. Beautiful. The sweetness comes in. The crunch from those chips is spectacular. A little bit of heat from the jalapeno chips mixes so beautifully with that heat from the wasabi. Sweetness from the corn and the agave. You get that tartness from the lemon. You can taste the vinegar. Dang. If I were rating this on a scale of 1 to 3, I would give it all right. 3 all rights out of 3 all rights. One thing I will say, he said he's cleaning out his fridge. Exactly 2 of these ingredients were in my fridge, the pickles and the wasabi-uli. But man, those chips. I might be overselling it as being mind-blowing. It's just really good. Solid tuna fish sandwich. I don't know if I'd make it exactly the same again. I think I'd probably concoct my own version of it. But man, I think I learned a thing or two. This is Sandwich Dad, the McConaughey tuna salad sandwich, complete with sandwich dogs.